So we are back here and we're going to try to measure the cam lobe lift. It means on the camshaft you have the lobes. The lobes are pushing to the hydraulic lifters. The hydraulic lifters are pushing the push rods. So the push rods should be moving according to the lobe on the camshaft. So to determine if the camshaft is worn or not, according to the manual, I should have a lobe lift of around 6 millimeters. So everything I'm measuring is in millimeters. The indicator I have is up to 0.01 millimeter correct. This is my homemade measuring device. As you can see, it's just a piece of wood that I strapped on securely onto the bridges at 3 points. Yeah. I fixed it securely to make sure it doesn't lift too much. And then I have my indicator, who is fixed on a piece of wood. And of course you have to make sure now, obviously if this is up to 0.01 millimeter indicating, it means that if I need a 6 millimeter lift, it has to make 6 turns. Obviously measuring like this is not going to be 100% correct, but in any case within a certain range you can have a measuring. So if I turn, it's going to be difficult to make video of this, but if I turn you will see that the needle moves, and it should move 6 times, which will be the case for this one because I already measured it, and I have around 6.1 estimated millimeters of lift, which is perfectly within the range. So this I'm going to do now for all 12, each time in and out. Obviously for the 2 that I have removed I have to find a solution. Probably I will take push rods from somewhere else and then put them back in their original position. As the engine is highly mechanical, it's always important, especially for an old engine, to put every single piece back on the original place, because otherwise you might have things that are worn out, adapted to each other. By removing them and putting them in a different place, well, you're going to break things. So I continue with this, and once it is done, I will give you the results.